Hello, my name is Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, the owner of HogOn Welding LLC, and I am a welding engineer. My job as a welding engineer is to help the welder plan, prepare, and execute the welding procedure that need to be done on whatever it is that we are doing at the moment. I specialize in structural welding, so I do a lot of structural welding. I am a combo welder, so I do TIG, MIG, and stick, and pipe weld. But I specialize in structural welding. That's my field that I really got a stronghold on. So I like to help my welding students to learn how to fabricate, learn how to fit, learn how to determine what rod is needed or what wire is needed for the material that they are working on, and the science of it, like if the heat need to be a certain temperature for setting for the procedure that they're doing. I want to be able to help them determine and distinguish, okay, when you're doing this, it's automatically it need to be cut on this setting if you're working on, say, a light gauge material. Also, I like to encourage and see the actual job take place, be there doing the whole process. So not only do I come up with a product, so to speak, like I come up with a way for us to do to design what we're trying to sell and provide for our clients, but I also walk through the process with you, showing you how to lay it out, showing you how we need to weld this, how to make it better, what process to do certain things in, because certain things I think we really need to know that it's different processes of welding to actually help things be stronger, better, or just more economical. So I think we need to know the difference of that, and that's what I specialize in. I have over, right now, I'm knocking a little over 20 years of experience. I actually started getting my education in welding at around 17, and by 2021, I was diving in it. So I have a lot of experience. I'm 40 years old now, and it's a lot of things I have learned being a field welder, because I did a lot of experience in the field and I did a lot of experience in the shop. But when I left working for someone, I was actually doing field welding. I was a foreman, and we was doing a lot of repairs, brand new fabrications and installs. And so normally I had a crew anywhere from 3 to 10 guys, depends on the job. But that's what I was doing when I left. And at that time, I like to tell people this, because you got to start from somewhere. I actually started working. I started at $8 an hour when I first got into the welding field. And when I stopped working for someone, I was making $30 as a foreman. And now I am independent and I run my own company. But I think there is a process doing this. So getting to where I'm at now, it was a great process. I went to a Vo-Tech school, actually. A lot of people tend to downgrade them, saying all Vo-Tech schools you can't get, but you can get great information. I actually took I got 40 hours, which was probably around 9 to 14 months course. But, due to some breaks, I think it took us about 14 months to complete it, but it was pretty much a 9 months course. And I learned combination of welding. I learned how to TIG, MIG, and stick in 4 positions. And then just so happened the instructor there was a pipe welder and a master welder. So since I finished the class kind of early, and he wanted me to help him with his with the other students, help them learn and help them get their skills down and critique them, he taught me how to pipe weld. So even though they didn't teach pipe welding, he taught me how to bevel pipe, how to fit pipe, how to be able to weld pipe, how to get your root pass in, how to get your landing correct, all those great things. So I am a combination of a lot of things. So when I teach my independent welding sessions, you're getting it from a welding engineer. You're getting it from someone who not only has had his hands-on and can completely jump into the field hands-on, but you're also dealing with someone who can fabricate and fit and think outside the box. So by joining my classes or getting into my upcoming school programs that I'm working off with HogOn Welding, my goal is to turn a trade into a business, not only just to teach you how to weld, but I want to teach you how to turn that welding trade into a business, how to be able to break some chains and some financial curses for your own family, from where you're from. Me coming from a rural area, from the ghetto, from the projects, being born in Little Rock and raised in Southeast Arkansas, I learned a whole lot. So my goal is to try to break those chains and give you something different from someone that looks like you, and to let you know that there's nothing you can't do. That's why I always preach and practice products over talent. Products over talent, products over talent. So I just wanted to give you some information on who I am, a little bit background check on me, just to give you some updates and let you know when you're getting this information from me, you're getting it from someone who is well seasoned, who believe in what he's doing, who really want to teach you something, who really want to give you some tools that really help your life and your business in many ways. So by networking with me or shopping with me on any of my services or my products, you're dedicating it to a good cause, because I love to give back to the community. I love to help the youth. I love to put my family in a better position, and also help you grow as a business and as a person. So investing in me is investing in you. So I appreciate the time, and I just wanted to give you an update. Just wanted to talk to you for a second about who I am and what I do. Hold on.